My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Hairysquid. Hairysquid is the ransomware that encrypts files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Hairysquid ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just give you instructions on how damaging this ransomware is. So very soon, users may realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot access their data anymore. In fact, the ransomware even disables the task manager so that you could not analyze this ransomware. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them essentially. It even appends this Hairysquid extension additionally to the file names. And when you try to open any file, you get this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid. We strongly urge you not to do that, not to pay the ransom, because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting the data restored. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on the computer. Combo Cleaner will help you effectively to identify this ransomware and to get rid of it. So it is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database. So then the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer, and at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of all the threats which were found on the system. Please pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add certain folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. But it will help you to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Consider premium license as the best solution for protecting your files.